just locked my thing again.
I heard that.
Oh my god, these
Yeah, these are very interesting trains.
they're not that uncomfortable.
Yeah, no, they're actually kind of comfortable.
They're kind of tight.
Tight, yeah. Well, they were made in like what, the 70s?
Yeah.
Why did it slow down so much? Yeah, I honestly think that's my favorite coaster so far.
What?
Bro, Gina Hunt did nothing.